Hi folks, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing a little tool review. We're going to be talking about vice grips. Now, these are your standard sort of vice grips, mole grips, whatever you want to call them, wherever you are. You know, the Irwin proper vice grips are considered the best, but they are expensive. They have a normal sort of locking screw, you just clamp shit. But my brother's just bought a pair from a company called Facom, and they're slightly different. They don't have an adjustable screw. They are self-adjusting. They have a spring here and a locking rod, and they self-adjust with whatever you put into it. Let's go over to the bench, we'll have a proper look at them. So, there you go. I mean, obviously one's smaller, one's bigger than the other. This is a 10 inch, that's a 7 inch. I've got small hands, I don't generally use bigger clamps, all of mine are smaller. You can see this one's been used and abused, it's fucking decades old. I've had to weld it. But, like I said, you know, they're all pretty much the same mole grips. You adjust it up to wherever you want and then you clamp it in. These are different. They automatically adjust to whatever you put in, and you adjust the tension that you want by this little screw here. So if you want it tighter, you do it up a little bit. You can hear that click, that's a meaty click. And then if you want to detension it, now the only thing I don't like about these is obviously I've got really small hands and I'm struggling with that. But you know, that's a personal preference. Let me show you what I mean about adjustment. So we'll set it up to a decent sort of click. Now that's where I'll be, maybe a little more. That's a nice sound. You know, that's where you'd want to be sort of nice and tight. So straight away, already. It's not that tight. It's got a bit tighter. There you go, nice and solid. Right, and straight from that, without touching anything, I'm going into a 25mm bit stock. Now, how cool is that? That's fairly solid. I mean, I can just about move that if we give it lots of welly. That's pretty good. Now, I already did try it. I can't quite get the 50mm. But I can get that in there. Yeah, straight away. There you go, clamp together. Exactly the same. We'll go more. Straight away, more. Nice and tight again. I haven't touched anything, keeping this real tight. And then straight back to the Allen key. Clamp it same way I did it before. Same place. Solid. Yeah, it's all adjustable on that little screw. So undo it. Take pressure, do it up, more pressure. Now, I think I've worked out how it is, so I'll try and explain a little bit. But you've got this little spring here, which seems to keep it supported. And then this screw here is a little tiny lock on that. So what happens is, it allows it to slide down there, and then that's your adjustment of the height, but that stop then locks it onto this bar, so releasing it will allow it to slide down a bit more before it locks in. See? So then if I try and do this like this, hopefully it'll come off the camera. So if you watch that, this is how it adjusts. It slides all the way down until it gets to that to that angle, and then it pinches, locks in, and then that screw adjusts it and then locks it onto the bar. It's a very, very clever idea. Yeah, I love these, absolutely love them. Just shame they're not mine. So there you go. There's the Facom. They are 580.10. So I think they're Facom 580s, and then obviously the 10 will be 10 inch. These are 7 inch sort of standard mile grips, which I prefer the size. They're just better for me. You know, being a fucking midget, you know, little hands and shit. As I say, these are not mine, these are my brother's, and it sort of gave me them to do a quick review, so I can't really go abusing them too much. I mean, I'd love to sort of get some nuts in there and see how well the jaws last and shit like that, but they're not mine, so I'm not going to do that. You know, it'll kick off. But, you know, I do love these. I might try and buy some myself. I have found a couple of companies in the UK that sell them. They're on eBay and bits and bobs. They average around 35 quid, £35. But one of the companies I did find that they do ship to other countries. So I'll put a couple of links in the description. I'll see if I can find some different versions of these, because these are the only ones I've found other than the standard long nose ones. I haven't found any welding clamps or anything like that. So yeah, I'll have a look. I'll put a couple of links in the description. But I highly recommend these. If you can go out and buy them, you know, if like you're in a tight space, you know, a constant pressure, constantly. They're amazing, absolutely fucking amazing. Yeah, so that's it for this video. If you like this sort of thing, like quick tool reviews, you know, give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment of anything that you want to see. If I've got it or I can afford it, I'll get it and sort it out for you. Please subscribe to the channel. When you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you're informed of all the videos as and when I do them. So yeah, that's it for now. Nice little quick one, a little quick tour review, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.